Rồi đúng không?
Rồi, bây giờ chị cứ nói lúc nào thì chị nói.
We are from group 7. Our idea is about a travel network for traveler and local, and we name it as coBud. The application was built on React Native, Firebase, and Redux, NPM, and Node.js with some other packages like React Native Maps and yeah, some minor React Native packages too. As first, I will create a new account named as test1 gmail.com and a password with 6 characters. And after I click on the login button, it will create a new account on our Firebase database. Yeah, so about that, like, okay. Now I will use one of the previous account we have created while developing this application. Yeah. So the tab, tab in our homepage is the most popular places recommended by our development teams. As you can see now, our location is in Oulu, so we have at least 6 popular places, and yeah, and a banner with some highlights sightseeing in the city too. Rồi, nặng quá crash rồi em à,
Lại quá rồi.
nặng quá. Hey.
Mọi người.
Cái đó chắc phải nói lại nguyên trang rồi.
Ừ.
Chắc phải nói lại nguyên trang rồi, nó bị đen lướt cái nó tắt luôn, nặng quá nó tắt.
Chắc thế.
Cái gì anh?
Đây đem lại nha.
Nặng quá tắt con mẹ nó đài. Đúng rồi, không sao. Mình kêu S đậm S small, S capital hay không sao.
Đấy, nói tiếp đi.
Okay. In the first tab of our home page, it first will show us the most popular places happening in the Oulu city, which is our at the moment location, and we have at least 6 suggestions here, and we also have a banner for the most highlighted sightseeing in the city too.
Rồi, chị nói tiếp đi.
The next step is the new field, which is contributed by the pictures and the comments from our users. For example, now we try to make a comment with the first pictures in my eyes, like nice pics. Man.
Sao nào lại?
Now is the most recent comments I will just make at the bottom of the screen, as you can see. Now, the users will able to upload the content with the Upload tab by taking the photo from the camera, or they can choose the photo from their phone libraries. And another option we are aiming to think about to get the photo with the Facebook API. Yeah, but it's the in the futures. Yeah. Now I try to take a photo like this. My note. And yes, I will add some caption.
Ủa là khi nếu mà khi bài quay về trên new feed thì chị chuẩn bị chị nói luôn.
Yeah, okay.
Đấy, nói. Xong chị tìm ảnh của chị.
Tìm ảnh.
Tìm cái ảnh mà chị vừa đăng ấy. Nó
Chưa
sẽ
đăng
có
mà.
đăng rồi, nó trong đấy rồi.
Có đâu?
Có rồi.
Oh
Đấy,
yeah.
cuối cùng
Okay.
này.
So the first pictures, the previous picture I just took now is on the newsfeed timeline, as you can see. The
Chị thử
next,
comment lên trên nó.
yeah, I would also try to make a comment from a picture I just took.
Thử lại cái lớp.
Chậm thôi.
Không, sao lại. À, viết lại một cái. Viết lại một cái. Cứ viết lại.
Now, as you can see, both of my comments is already here. Yeah. Now we will move to one of the most interesting features of our application that we can tự upload qua chứ đúng không?
Rồi nói đi.
So now this is the map function we created in the application. As you can see, there is the red marker represent of our location at the movement, and the other colors is represent for other users who's using the app too. But right now, we already set to make the database, but we still trying to develop it by other features like can show his user profile, but it still need to a lot of improvement later on. So now we move to one of the most important features of our application, that we are able to reconnect people with the local chat entered by all available user in our application. Let me trying to make a real-time message here. After that, another friends of mine are also trying to reply to me too. Now I can see his messages. I can also make a private message with other users have accepted me as their friends. Now his real-time reply is back to me now.
Thứ tiếp.
Mm. Okay, just we just demos our just features in this application, and there should have a news in the futures. All of the news from our messages will go to the yours tab in the notification, and the news is all about the news in the at the place happening for the user traveling. And finally, here the user setting, which is allowed at the moment is only allow nhầm rồi. Now our final navigation is the user setting, which is allow user to update their profile here. Like I will add my last name here. And it will show the first and the last character in my avatar, which is not updated yet. And it's also now I can go back here. Không có go back được. Máy chị go back được mà máy mình không go back được.
Vậy Quỳnh ơi chỗ này.
À.
Ok.
Ok.
Nó đi.
Xong rồi.
Đây xong rồi.
Quỳnh chỉ có cái này thôi à? Quỳnh chỉ có ba rồi.
Thế.
Mấy cái này là chưa có. Thì nói là Adamon chỉ có app update thôi à. So hết rồi.
Xong rồi so thank you.
So yeah, that is the application have been finished at the moment. Yeah. Thank you for viewing our application. Rồi tắt đi.